Hello and welcome back to the channel. So one of the questions of my previous video was how do I show the odometer on the Moto 2 in the current setup, as it technically only comes up during startup. So let's take a look and see how we can do it. So as mentioned, there is a way of doing it, but it is not as straightforward as you would think, and it does come with a little bit of a caveat. So what do we have to do? Well, step one is go into the main menu and go to display setup, and then select the visible tray options. From there, you want to select the service interval option, as this is the only option where it will display the odometer. Once you're done and have selected that, just go back out to main menu, and then with your little joystick on the left side of the handlebar, just go through your options. In this case here, this is display option number 1. Guess what? It doesn't work. If you go down here and look at the service interval, it will only give you the time and miles remaining. But let's go to display style number 2, and guess what? Now look at that, look at the top right corner, there's the odometer. So it will display once again the service due and how many miles remaining, but it will also give you on the right top corner the odometer. This will also work with display option number 3, but it will not work with number 4 as well. So it does work with number 2 and 3, but not with number 1 and 4. Just to demonstrate it, here is number 4, and if you go again to the service interval, it's just showing the miles remaining in time. Once again, let's go back to display option number 1 one more time. And as you can see here, you got again just the mileage and time remaining. So again, number 2 and 3 are your friends when it comes to displaying the odometer. Number 1 and 4 are not. And take another quick look here. So since I'm currently running with the option number 2 anyway, it is there if I want to see it, but that is the way to do it. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, keep it on 2, stay safe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.